Okay, so someone's asked me to go through some sort of hard turning point questions with completing the square. The reason why these are a bit harder than normal is we have a coefficient of x squared that's not 1. So you see we have a number in front of the x squared. And the way you do it is you're always going to factorise out that number first. So for this one, I'm going to take the 3 out, and then I'm going to factorise that out of the first two terms. So x squared minus 2x, and then plus 6. From here, I'm now going to complete the square for the bit in the bracket. So for the bit in the bracket, it's going to equal 3. Now, if I asked you to complete the square for this, you would halve the coefficient of x, so it goes to x minus 1, all squared, and then take away that number squared, and then the plus 6 still remains on the outside. And then from here, we're going to expand this, so it'll be 3x minus 1 squared. Minus 1 squared is just minus 1, so times by 3 will be minus 3, and then plus 6. And then to finish, you just got to simplify the numbers. So 3x minus 1 squared, and then plus 3. That's the first bit, and you can see it's in the form there. Hence, or otherwise, write down the coordinates of the turning point. So the turning point is going to be where this bracket equals 0, because that's going to make it as small as possible. It's a minimum point. So the x coordinate is going to be 1, because 1 take away 1 would make 0. And then what would be left as the y coordinate if you plugged 1 into this? Well, this whole thing would be 0, so 3 would be left as the y coordinate. Okay, so just going to show you another one of these. So similar thing, we've got 3x squared at the front, so I'm going to factorise out 3. Then I'll have x squared minus 10x plus 63. And then from there, I'm going to complete the square for that bit. So x minus 5 squared minus 5 squared plus 63. From here, expand it. 3x minus 5 squared. That's minus 25, so times by 3 is going to be minus 75 plus 63, and then simplify the numbers. 3x minus 5 squared minus 12. Okay, so that's it in completed the square form. Same thing, it says find the turning point. So the turning point is going to be the minimum point, so it's where this bracket equals 0, and that bracket's going to equal 0 with an x coordinate of 5. And then if you plug 5 into this would all be 0, so you're going to be left with minus 12 for the y coordinate. Okay, so that's how you do those hard questions.